Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this LED desk lamp, and it has a couple cool features. It can charge your phone, wireless charging, it's a USB type A, 3 color modes, touch control, pen holder, sleepless dimming. On top it has this little instruction manual there. We're going to be setting it up, showing you guys how it looks here. So it has this adjustable light thing. You can switch it any way you want to, so that's nice if you have it by your bedside, and then you can just change it however you want. Really flexible, has this cool kind of like a rubbery silicone cover on there, and there's our light. All right, so in this box it has a little plug in here. Features a 10-watt charger for your phone, and I like to show how long the cord is always. Just got a little snarled up there. Okay, that's at least 6 feet cord. That's a good distance on that. And here is the phone base here. So it's got little silicone pads on the bottom, so it's not going to slip around there. Obviously it has these little plastic coatings on there. I take those off and it's going to reveal that. Really non-stick there. Just one off and there, it's not sliding around. That's it for the box. Okay, so please align your phone to charging position for best charging effect. Using wireless charging, make it stand up to prevent your phone from slipping off. Okay, so it has these couple little stickers on there. Darn it, those left on there a little bit. Don't want that to stick on there. Okay, that came off. And this other one here, I was hoping it wasn't going to be something like super sticky that I was going to have to lay Goo Gone on it. It wasn't. All right. So this just, I believe, goes in there like that, just snaps in. That's cool. And if you want to take it out, you push that in and pull it out. Here is our phone charger that just clicks up there like that, and it says to, let's see, there's a little base here I think I can pull out so the phone stays on there. Not sure how to get that out of there though. It's in there. Let me see 1 second here. Okay, as I suspected, there's this little thing here, but I just cut my nails as usual. Oh, I can still get it out. So there's that little tab, you just fold it out there. Usually when I need my nails, they don't work. Okay, so let's just plug this in real quick. Right, so that plugs in right there. It has a nice little touch button on there, on and off, and then we can change the different colors and then dim it by holding down this button. So that's really cool. So you can adjust what kind of brightness you want on there, and then also the different what is it, aspect of lighting, whatever, the yellowish, the whiter, more white if you want, and then on and off on that. And I believe that's the wireless charging, has an on and off thing on there as well. And then the USB 5-volt charging port at the top right there. Cool. So let's get this set up and show you how it looks, my friends. All right, my friends. So here I have it by my bedside here. And as we can see, so I just want to show real quick, I didn't show this. It has a little tab here in the back that just lifts up, and then you put that behind that, and that's going to keep your phone up on there, so we can see that it's going to charge here. So you just set it on there. There you have it, charging up. Makes a little beeping noise, shows the charging icon. And then also, if I want to charge it with this and plug this in here, and then charge it with that also, if I want. Now, if I want to turn this USB thing off, that's that little switch there, so I can turn it off and turn it back on if I want it on or off. So that's cool. And then when I want to collapse this, I just bring this forward a little bit and that goes down. That goes down, makes a nice little flat area there. I believe that has a magnet here, perhaps for one of those mag chargers. I'm not exactly sure, but it does have a circle thing there. So I can put some pens here if you want this on your desk. And then of course you have the light here. It's nice and bright. So if you have it as a bedside thing, I can read a book here or whatever I want to do and just adjust that any way I want. And then the lighting, of course, as dim as I want, so it doesn't bother someone else when I'm reading, or brighter too. So it has a good variety of light output there, and it does put out quite a bit of light. So I could read pretty easily by this light. So super handy. Good, nice little idea for a desk or something like that. I like it by the nightstand here. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.